Hello, this is a follow-up to one of my favorite core exercises. I like the stall bars for this. If you don't have stall bars, no big deal. You can use the rig at the gym or you can use a beam at your house. Because I'm using stall bars, I'm gonna have my palms up towards the ceiling. You could also use a pole if you do pole dance. I'm gonna lie on my back. This is Nona, she's assisting with my demonstration. I'm gonna take my hands on the bars and I'm gonna be far enough away that I can actively pull the bars towards my face. Once I have that, I'm gonna pick my feet up off the ground. And as soon as I pick my feet up, I like to point my toes. I'm gonna demonstrate this both with my toes pointed and my feet flexed so you can see the difference. I'm going to keep pulling the bar towards my feet. I'm gonna lift my hips up and I'm gonna take my knees to my left elbow. And then I'm gonna lower myself down with control, finding the center point and touch my toes down. Now, once I touch my toes down, I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna have my heels against the ground. I'm gonna pull the bar towards my feet, towards my feet. I'm gonna bring myself up and touch my knees to my right elbow. And then I'm gonna lower myself down, point the toes, and repeat. If you do any sort of arm balancing, any sort of aerial, any sort of pull, any sort of yoga, anything where you need a lot of torso compression with your knees bent, this can be a really helpful exercise. As always, if you found that useful, please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below. Thank you.